Well, hello everyone, it's Mr. Renner, and we are still talking about space and space exploration in this unit. But today we're going to slow it down a little bit with a really cool, beautiful poem about what it's like to see our Earth from space. So let's get started, okay? Let's get that out of here. It is called Quiet Earth. And let's see what this poet thinks it is like to see the Earth when you are up in space, okay? Our time to launch has come and gone. The rocket's roar now faint, and our bright Earth below shrinks in the night. True, the globe does glow with greens, whites, brilliant blues. Like the sun in the sky, it seems to glow from inside. Even so, it is strange in this calm and quiet that the living planet Earth is what we should call it. Up here, it appears much more like a painting, a sculpture, a snapshot, unmoving, unchanging, so silent and peaceful and quiet, as if every creature might wait, sleeping soundly, until our return. I really like this. Here it is. This is their spaceship, which looks like a future type of spaceship. This is not what our space shuttles look like today. And here's a picture of the Earth over the Indian Ocean. India, Africa, Australia, China, way up here. This is not the type of poem that a lot of people expect, because it doesn't have a lot of rhyming, as you've noticed, but it does have a really good rhythm to it. And it does have, it plays with sounds a little bit when it's talking about something called alliteration, is what I'm trying to say. The rockets roar, both have an R, and our bright Earth below, both have the letter B. And that's something that poets use a lot. They play with sounds and they play with words. And another thing this poet does really well is put a picture in your mind. We often think space is really, really, really empty and cold, but they're saying that there is a lot to look at up there. And the other thing this poet is doing is that even though everything is moving down here, he's thinking about how still it is. This is a really good poet. I'm going to read this. I'm sorry. Yeah, this one right here. And let's see if we could spot some more alliteration and what words he uses to talk about what the Earth looks like. True, the globe does glow with greens, whites, brilliant blues. Like the sun in the sky, it seems to glow from the inside. So he repeats the word glow a couple times. Also, the GL is a good example of alliteration. Almost right next to each other, these two words have a gl sound. The globe does glow. With brilliant blues is another one. They both have B. And he repeats the word glow, which is another thing that poets use. Another thing that we could see is he seems to say that the Earth is glowing. He's saying that it's really, really bright. It seems to have something that glows from the inside rather than just reflection. I think this is a really nice poem. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed it as well. We are going to be working on this page in our packet today. This is all about prefixes again. If we have PRE, it means before, and if we have RE, it means do it again. And you have to think, what word would make the most sense? The first one here says you must preheat or reheat the oven before cooking the pizza. Oh, it says right here, before cooking the pizza. So I know already it's supposed to be preheat. And if you have ever cooked a pizza before with an adult at home watching over you, of course, then you know you do preheat an oven to make sure it's warm when you put the pizza in. So the answer to this one is preheat. You could circle it or you can write it in your packet, okay? That's it for today. We are going to be there's going to be no video tomorrow because of the MCAs, but I'll see you again on Thursday. All right, bye.